you ready to play Speedy Stop?
Yes.
Okay, here's the shark family.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to sing the shark song. And when my finger is over the shark that we're singing about, you need to shout, stop.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, try it.
Stop.
Excellent. Okay, here we go. Baby shark, where are you?
Stop.
Is this baby shark?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now will you sing along with me?
Yes.
Okay. Grandpa shark, where are you? Grandpa, is this Grandpa shark?
No.
Oh, let's try again. Grandpa shark, where are you?
Stop.
Ah, is this Grandpa shark?
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay, let's sing about Mommy shark.
Mommy shark.
Okay?
Mommy shark,
where?
Stop.
Oh, good. This is Mommy shark. Good. Okay, let's try Daddy shark. Okay? Daddy shark, where are you?
Stop.
Stop. Good job. High five. Well done.